Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa have half of kg sea prawn here, and I'm going to make it into salted egg stir fry sea prawn. Okay, very simple. This dish super simple. Let me quickly show you. First of all, of course, you need to prep the prawn. I have actually this prawn is not very big, so I only remove the leg and also remove the pointy part. I did not devein it because nothing much to devein actually, because this prawn is the 1 kg digger 8 pieces, 1 kg 38 pieces size. Yeah, not very big. Later we're going to deep fry the prawn first. Then after that, of course, you will need some salted egg yolk. Yeah, salted egg yolk. This is about 2.5 pieces. Why I say half pieces? Because the third piece is not so good, so I remove some of it. So this is 2.5 pieces, and you need to mince it. Yeah, mince it so that it can actually melt faster and easier later. Then you will need some minced garlic, curry leaf, and also chili padi. Heat up some oil to smoking point. Then you will dry up your prawn and put it in. Prawn can splatter quite easily, so try to dry out the prawn a bit. Yeah. So this is the 1 kg 38 pieces. So here is about 20 pieces. So you don't fry your prawn for too long. It will become mushy. So we are going to fry this prawn for probably about 3 minutes. You can see some greenish color thing here. Those are tamale. Yeah? So there's two reasons why you should always fry the prawn first. Number one, it will become more fragrant. That's because of the shell in contact with hot oil. Number two, prawn usually have a bit of sliminess, yeah, on the surface of it. So once you fry up, those sliminess will go away. This is coming to about 2 minutes, and it is super fragrant right now because of the shell in contact with hot oil. Any seafood with shell that is in contact in hot oil will be super fragrant. Crab, any kind of shellfish. Almost there. Coming to 3 minutes. You can even see the oil is turning a bit orangey. Yeah? And this oil is going to be prawn oil. We are going to use it later also. Don't waste it. Most of it is fine. I'm going to take out most of it. Take it out and put it on the oil absorbing paper at the side. Yeah. Right now we have a deeper pan on the wok. I put in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of prawn oil. Yeah. I'm going to put in garlic and also curry leaf. And let's saute this for a while. Wow, super fragrant. For even more enhanced flavor, I'm putting a bit of unsalted butter here. Then let's put in the salted egg yolk, and you will start seeing the magic happening. Don't use too high heat, just use about medium high will be okay. Look at the bubbles. The bubbles will become more and more. Keep on stirring. Keep on stirring. And I want to give it some fine salt, yeah? Keep on stirring. Look at this beautiful, creamy salted egg sauce. Oh, super fragrant right now. Almost there. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. I can still see some egg yolk, so let's further melt it down. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Next thing, I'm putting in the chili padi, and of course not forgetting the prawn. And just give it a few stir and it is done. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. If you like, you can put in some few dashes of white pepper lah. Optional lah. Right, so here's our very simple salted egg yolk prawn. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I purposely use the not so big prawn so that I can even eat the prawn shell. Who else also like to eat prawn shell, especially the fried ones like Appa? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.